Experts say hundreds of thousands of Utahns could be affected if Congress does not agree on what to do about health insurance tax credits during this continuing government shutdown.
Those were enacted in 2021 to make health plans under the Affordable Care Act more affordable.
Natalie Wattis spoke with one woman who's been diagnosed with cancer twice about her concerns. She's live at the American Cancer Society Hope Lodge in Salt Lake City. Natalie.
Well, experts say if nothing changes, those premiums could increase, and if they do, they become unaffordable for many.
This is a big deal. You know, this is our lives, and this is something that people with cancer, they can't wait. You know, we need health care.
Christy Sorensen is an 11-year cancer survivor. She was diagnosed when she was just 24.
My cancer was mediastinal rapid large B-cell lymphoma, non-Hodgkin's. At the time, though, I was uninsured. My father was on disability, and my mother had passed away. And so I kind of fell within that gap of insurance coverage.
Sorensen says at the time, she could only get treatment through the ER. Thankfully, she was approved for Medicaid after 3 months.
And that quite literally saved my life. So I probably owed over $130,000 worth of medical debt, and luckily I was able to get that covered. And I'm alive today because of it.
Earlier this year, Sorensen got onto the Affordable Care Marketplace health insurance.
Luckily, because I then was diagnosed with skin cancer.
She says health insurance is very important to her now because she has to get checked every 6 months and is at a high risk of other cancers too.
Knowing that these tax credits are expiring is very, very scary.
I spoke with Brooke Carlisle with the American Cancer Society about what impact this could have.
We know about 24 million people purchase their health care through the marketplace. About 22 million of them rely on tax credits to some degree. Estimates are about 4.2 million people will lose their health insurance because it will become unaffordable. So that is our concern.
You mentioned millions of people would be affected by this. Do you know how many Utahns in particular?
So there's about 350,000 Utahns who purchase their health insurance through the marketplace. We are calling on Congress to act as soon as possible.
And as you mentioned previously, the government is now on its second day of being shut down with no votes expected today. Live in Salt Lake City, Natalie Wattis, KUTV 2 News.
Natalie, thank you. You can stay with 2 News for the very latest on the government shutdown and how it could impact you. You can read all of our reporting on our website, KUTV.com, and be sure to download the free 2 News mobile app to get breaking news alerts sent to your phone.